Hello, my dear all students. Welcome to our channel Gyan Mantra Online Education. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, my dear all students, today onwards we are going to start our new topic, and that is reading comprehension of our 7th unit Information Technology. Okay, so let's get started. Our first story, the name of the story, or we can say the article, newspaper article, technology. So in this chapter we will go with only information technology. Okay, so in your reader SR3, supplementary reader 3 and page number 53, the world that fits in our pockets. So that is our article. The name of the article is The World That Fits in Our Pockets. Okay, so it's all about the technology. So let's see which kind of technology, or we can say in this chapter, what fits in our pockets. Right, so who's the writer? Shreya Mishra, she is our writer. So imagine your mobile phone being stuck to a wall in your house with a short wire. You can pick it up but cannot move it far away from the wall. It can only make calls. You can't message, send pictures, or make video calls, as there are so much apps in it. How easy would life be then? How easy would life be then? So here, just imagine. So which kind of imagination is that? That just imagine your phone, your mobile phone is being stuck on the wall. And what happens? It has, with mobile phone, it has one wire, short wire. So you must pick it up, but you can't move that mobile phone with you far away from the wall. It's totally stuck on the wall. So with that phone, you can just make calls, you can't message or send pictures to uh, anyone, or you can't make video call with it. So as there are no such apps in it, just you can go with phone calls, no messages, no video calls and all. So how easy would life be then? So is it easy or a kind of difficult for us? Just imagine. Okay, so well, a few years back, this used to be our telephones. They looked a lot different too. The mobile phones we have today have become our own personal genius. So it's all about the past years, that kind of phones we had in past years. Nowadays we can see that kind of phones, but what is main phone? Today we have our own personal genius. So that is our mobile phones. A few years back, this used to be our telephones. So there were telephones which were stuck on the wall. They looked a lot different too. The mobile phones we have today, whatever we have today, they have become our own personal genius. If we have any question, it has the answer. If we have any problem, it gives us a solution right away. If we want to order food, it shows us a list of 100 restaurants with a variety of cuisines. It can even help us shop for clothes, home accessories, and many such things that once required us to walk down to 5 different shops and come back loaded with big heavy bags. So, how it is very easy to do this all the things. So if we have any questions right now, whatever we have, the phone, mobile phones we have, right? So in today's life we can't imagine our life without mobile phones. So if we have any question, it has the answer. With the help of Google, we get the answer in just 1 second. If we have any problem, it gives us a solution right away. If we want to order food, so many applications we have in our phone. So with the help of those applications, we can order the food. It shows us a list of 100 restaurants. Okay, so you can Google it, that restaurants near me. So Google will provide you the list of the restaurants near you, and it also provides you a variety of questions, and it can even help us shop for clothes, home accessories, and many such things that once required as to walk down to 5 different shops and come back with loaded big heavy bags. So if we go with online shopping, on that time we no need to go to shop, or just when we return back to home, on that time no need to load our bags. It's all about online shopping. So it is becoming too easy for shopping also. One of the biggest inventions that made all this possible was the global positioning system, that is called GPS. The full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. Okay, so here you can see the picture, different things to do using mobile phones. So in mobile phones we can see so many things, right? So whatever we want to ask, they have the answers. Google. So here with the help of so many applications, so WhatsApp, Skype, and shopping and Windows, all this kind of icons we can see here. So it is becoming very easy life for us with the help of just technology, with the help of just one mobile phone. This system GPS that provides information about the geographical location of places or object on earth. So geographical location, that is provided, GPS that provides us the geographical location of places or object on earth. On earth, whatever the geographical location, it provides us when we turn on our GPS, right? On that time that provided to us. With the help of Google Maps, on that time we must turn on our location, we must turn on our GPS. So with the help of GPS we could go when we are, and if we want to go anywhere, we can find the way very easily. So if your phone has an active internet connection, so it needs active internet connection and the GPS application. A cab can reach your doorstep without asking direction from you. So in very big cities, metro cities, cabs are there. So it's a kind of taxi. So in cab, GPS systems are working. So we have to provide our location. So they will not ask you then where are you living, or they will ask you that yes, I'm just here, so now when I need to come. So with the help of GPS they will come to a doorstep without asking direction from us. You can locate a road to a restaurant in an unfamiliar country. The single system has given rise to a variety of new business ideas. So how GPS works and which kind of benefits we have just because of GPS. Many such life influencing applications are being developed for mobile phones every day. Mobile phones have not just made communication easier over a period of time, but have also made the world reachable for us. So, the many such life influencing application are being developed for mobile phones every day. So in mobile phones, sometimes it needs updation, right? So kind of applications we have, and we can get it with the help of Google Play. So many such life influencing applications, they are just being developed just for mobile phones every day. So many applications are there. Then mobile phones have not just made communication easier over a period of time, but have also made the world reachable for us. They are not just being for communication only, but they have made the world reachable for us. What is going on in the world, we get the news very in a second. So it is becoming too easy to get any news what is happening. We get a video, we get audio, and all the things are being very easy just because of the technology. So that technology, that mobile phone, that world, that fits in our pockets. So we can say the title is very appropriate. Okay, so here you can see the picture. Whose picture is that? The world's first mobile phone call was made on April 3, 1973, when Martin Cooper, a senior engineer at Motorola, called a rival telecommunications company and informed them that he had speaking via a mobile phone. So, the world's first mobile phone call, when it was made on 3rd April 1973, when Martin Cooper, so the picture of Martin Cooper we have, who was the senior engineer at Motorola. He called a rival telecommunication company that, and he also informed them that he was speaking via a mobile phone. So on 3rd April 1973, the world's first mobile phone call was made by Martin Cooper. So thanks to mobile phones, our pocket technology has have made our lives more easier. The whole world now fits in gifted us mobile phones that interesting and full of options. Okay, so we must thank to the technology, to the mobile phones that fits in our pocket. And technology has made our lives more easier, and the world now fits in gifted us mobile phones that interesting and full of options. So thanks to the technology, thanks to the mobile phone that fits in our pockets, and just because of it our life is becoming more easier. Okay, so here our that SR is completed. Now SR4, some vocabulary words we have: imagine, stuck, gin, cuteness, and accessories. So imagine means to form a mental image of something. Then stuck means to be fixed on something. That we know. That mobile phone can't be stuck on the wall, but telephone in past years, which was stuck on the wall. Then gin, someone who can grant wishes when called upon. So here you can see the picture of jinn, which is created from the mobile phone. So whatever we ask, that gives us the proper answer. Then questions, food cooked in a certain way. Then accessories, a small thing added to make another thing more useful. Okay students, so here in this lecture we have completed our SR3 as well as our SR4. So here we are going to end up our today's lecture. We'll meet in our next lecture. Okay. So if you find any difficulty regarding this, you are free to ask me. Thank you. Thank you, my dear all students, and have a nice day.